Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the top 5 most favorite features of the MIUI 12 in the Poco X2 smartphone. So right now in this video, I'll be using the Poco X2 to say my top 5 favorite features in the MIUI 12. And in case if you still did not get the update in the Poco X2 in case of MIUI 12 update, so don't worry, you will receive the update as soon as possible. And if you received the update, and make sure you try these 5 features in your smartphones, and do comment below what are the other features you like about the MIUI 12. So if you want to download the wallpapers, do check the links in description. And if you want to know more details about the MIUI 12 playlist, so try to check the playlist of the MIUI 12 full in-depth videos, so you can understand more about the MIUI 12 and other smartphones videos as well. So always try to check the links in description for the more information. So let's get started with the first my main and most interested feature is using the floating window. So floating window, where I'll be using the WhatsApp here, and I'll be using the YouTube application as a floating window. So these are my most important use case scenario in the Poco X2 smartphone, so where I liked pretty much. So after this update, I was able to use this YouTube application as a floating window. And in case if you are facing any problem using the YouTube application as a floating window and you are getting this kind of error, as you can see here, and you cannot access the floating window, then try to watch this video where you can actually do that. I've already uploaded the video on how you can actually use the floating window issue in the Poco X2. So try to check that video, and this video will be helpful for you all in case if you want to know how you can use the floating window. So right now you can see the YouTube application is in the floating window right now here without any problem. I can use the floating window here, and try to check that video if you want to use how you can use the YouTube as a floating window. So this is my most interested and favorite feature of all time, using the floating window. Of few of the applications are supported and few of the applications are not supported, but most of them are actually supported with the floating window, so it should not be any problem. Even few of the games are actually supported. I'm pretty much surprised. So right now you can see friends, even few of the games which I am playing right now is actually supported with the floating window, and I can play easily and very much smooth without any problem. So this is the advantage of the floating window, and these are my most favorite feature of all time in the MIUI 12 update. So next, let's talk about the second favorite feature of the MIUI 12 update, which is none other than the control center. So yes friends, the control center is my most another favorite feature. So where this kind of new interface and new UI and new design and everything is possible with the new update. I did not ever imagine that I could get this kind of very good looking control panel unless I'm using any other third-party applications. But right now with this update, you can actually use in the MI phones and Redmi phones, so which is a very good thing, and this is another second most favorite feature for me of all time. So next, the third most favorite feature is listening to the audio when the screen is off. So this is the option which is found in the video toolbox option, where you can find in the special features. So in the video toolbox, you need to enable few of the applications to support that mode, like the YouTube, as you can see. So play sound with the screen off. So when you press that button, whatever the YouTube music you are listening right now, you can actually listen to only the audio, not the video. So that's a good very advantage whenever I go for walking or running or jogging. So definitely I used to use this kind of feature to just to listen to my music videos continuously using this kind of screen off feature. So this is another third most favorite feature. If you did not try in your device, so make sure you try this feature, and if you want to know more details about that one, do check my recently uploaded videos, so where even this issue got fixed for the YouTube application. And the fourth important and most my favorite feature is that having the dark mode integration with the third-party applications. So yes friends, with the MIUI 12 update, you do have the third-party integration with the dark mode. So not only in the few applications, you can even use the third-party applications with the dark mode, like Amazon application, Flipkart application, Myntra, doesn't matter, any app you can use with the dark mode, and you can actually individually select which applications you want to use and which application doesn't want to use. So this is another bonus advantage. You do have various options right now enabled in the dark mode, which will give you the very good experience when you're using the dark mode. So this is my fourth favorite feature of all time. So next is that finally I'm talking about the camera here. The reason why I included the camera, because in the camera before there used to be the interface problem, but right now with this update all the problems got fixed. As you can see friends, with this three line, if you tap on that, you do get this kind of one option where you can select multiple things at same time. So if you want to change the ratio, you can directly select the ratio, and if you want to increase the timer, you can increase. So before it used to be not like this. So let me try to compare you side by side with the MIUI 12 MIUI 11 camera interface, so you can exactly understand how much difficult before and now. So here you can see here. So right now if I want to change the frame from one size to other frame, I need to select multiple times to get to the exact frame. And if I want to change the timer, so you can see multiple times I need to press each and every time multiple times. So right now with this update, all these issues got fixed. So that is a one advantage here. So that's why I've included this as my fifth most interested feature of the MIUI 12 update. So right now it's very much easy and convenient to even select the video resolution as well, 720, 1080 and straightforward done. So before this used to be pressing every time to get the desired settings. So these are overall top 5 my most interested and most favorite features in the MIUI 12 update. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. Don't forget to check the playlist of the MIUI 12 in case if you want to know more details. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.